Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I will demonstrate how to make a cowl sleeve. Hi, my name is Ayo and welcome to 011 Clothings Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you! To make the cowl sleeve pattern, I will use the basic sleeve pattern. The length of this basic sleeve pattern is 8 inches. You can use a longer basic sleeve pattern or a shorter one. It depends on the final length of the sleeve that you want. I will cut the basic sleeve pattern into 2 equal halves like this. I will measure the width of the hem of the basic sleeve pattern and I will write down the value. Take note of this value, it is important. In this case, the width of the hem is 12 inches. I have here this pattern paper on the table. I will go ahead and draw 2 diagonal lines on the pattern paper like this using my long ruler and my pencil. I will make these 2 lines border like this using my marker pen and my ruler. The long line and the short one intersect with each other at right angles, that is at an angle of 90 degrees. I will now place the 2 sleeve pieces like this at an angle of 90 degrees. I will pin the 2 sleeve pieces in place. I will connect these 2 lower points together like this with a slight curve, and this will be the hem of the new sleeve pattern. The original width of the hem of the basic sleeve pattern is 12 inches. I will measure the length of the new hem. This gave me a value of 8.5 inches. This is smaller than the original width of the sleeve hem. I will subtract 8.5 inches from 12 inches and this gave me a value of 3.5 inches. I will divide the 3.5 inches into 2 and this gave me a value of 1.75 inches. I will increase the width of the sleeve hem by 1.75 inches on both sides of the sleeve hem like this. I will connect these 2 points to the lower parts of the sleeve armhole curves like this using a ruler. I will measure the length of the basic sleeve pattern below the armhole curve. I will make sure that the length of the sleeve below the armhole curve on the new sleeve pattern is the same with the basic sleeve pattern. I will now draw the hem of the sleeve pattern using a slight curve. I will connect the top edge of the sleeve together like this with a straight line. I will fold the pattern paper along the top edge of the sleeve like this. I will trace the curve at the upper part of the basic sleeve pattern to the other side of the folded pattern paper like this. I will open up the pattern paper and I will make the tracing border like this using my marker pen. I will connect the top edge together using my ruler like this. This is the facing and it is 3 inches long. I will draw a middle line to the hem of the sleeve like this. I will confirm the width of the sleeve hem again and I discovered that it is smaller than the 12 inches which was the original width of the hem of the basic sleeve pattern. I will add the deficit to the sides. The original length of the side seam was 3.75 inches. I will measure and mark 3.75 inches like this at both sides of the sleeves. I will extend the width of the hem and I will redraw the side seams like this. I will confirm the width of the hem again. And now I have the correct value. I will fold the pattern into 2 equal halves along the middle line that I drew earlier on. I will cut out the hem of the sleeve pattern and also the side seams. I will open up the pattern and I will continue to cut out the cowl sleeve pattern. I will remove the old pattern pieces from the new one. I have pinned the cowl sleeve pattern on my fabric. This fabric is a medium weight jersey fabric. Any soft drapey fabric can be used for this sleeve design. I used half an inch seam allowance all around the pattern except for the side seam and the hem where I used 1 inch seam allowance. It is best to cut this sleeve on the bias grain, even though I won't be cutting mine on bias. I will cut it out. I will remove the sleeve pattern from the fabric like this. I will go ahead and hem the sleeve. So now I have gone ahead to do the hemming. As you can see, I will fold the facing like this, such that wrong sides are together. I will stitch it down at the sides. I will now fold the sleeve into 2 right sides to right sides and I will sew the side seams of the sleeve using 1 inch sewing allowance. So now that has been done, as you can see. The armhole of the sleeve will be sewn to the armhole of the bodice. The upper part of the sleeve will be open. When the sleeve is worn, the upper arm of the wearer will be visible because the upper part of the sleeve is open. So that's it guys, we are done. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, share this video with your friends who are interested in sewing, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. See you in my next tutorial. Bye and thank you so much for watching.